Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vanilla yogurt at home. First, gather your ingredients. 1 gallon of whole milk, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt with live cultures, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Next, make sure all your equipment, including pots, thermometers, and storage jars, is completely clean and sanitized. This crucial step prevents unwanted bacteria from affecting your delicious homemade yogurt. Let's get started. Now let's heat the milk. Pour your gallon of whole milk into a large pot and slowly heat it to 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius. Stir the milk frequently to prevent it from scorching on the bottom. Once it reaches temperature, remove it from the heat and let it cool down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit or 43 degrees Celsius. This temperature is perfect for the live cultures. Once your milk has cooled to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to add the starter. Gently whisk in 2 tablespoons of your plain yogurt with live cultures. Pour the mixture into clean jars, then incubate them at 110 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 8 hours. After incubation, your yogurt will be thick. Now, stir in 1/2 cup of sugar and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract for that perfect flavor. Your delicious homemade vanilla yogurt is now ready to enjoy. Transfer it to airtight containers and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 10 days, making it a wonderful, healthy snack or breakfast option. Remember, you can always adjust the sweetness and vanilla to your liking. Also, for more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.